Hello and welcome to our video about the top 5 types of splines for your screens. In this video, we discuss different types of splines for screens, including foam, round eptom, solid core vinyl flat spline, foam screening spline, and polyfoam spline. We cover their benefits such as flexibility and resistance to UV radiation and corrosion, so you can choose the best one for your screen project. The first type of spline that I will talk about is the EPDM spline. This pool screen spline is made of UV-resistant rubber, making it highly durable and resistant to chemical corrosion and ultraviolet radiation. It's easy to install and can be used alone or with a hollow core. The second type of spline is the solid core vinyl spline. This spline is for windows, and the solid core vinyl version is renowned for its toughness. This is a significant reason for its ongoing appeal. Our third spline is the foam screen spline. This type of spline is a flexible and elastic option that is easy to install in small channels. They are more robust than vinyl spline and can still function even if the dimensions are slightly off, making them a versatile choice for special window screens. The fourth spline that I want to talk about is the polyfoam spline. This spline is available in various diameters and comes in rolls like electrical wire. It provides increased sturdiness, a smooth finish, and is easier to install than hard plastic splines. Our last spline is the flat, solid core vinyl screen spline. This spline is durable and suitable for framing glass edges and surfaces exposed to environmental hazards. It prevents decay by withstanding the elements and is commonly used by homeowners and professional screeners on screened-in patios, porches, and home windows. For more information on types of splines, please visit our website www.tdscreenfl.com.